Bitcoin. In other cases, it could give you a profit or even represent a share in a company. It could be a loyalty point or help you make payments across the world. The combination of blockchain and smart contract technology on platforms like Ethereum, as well as many others, has made the creation and trading of these rights incredibly efficient and lucrative as an early stage funding tool, a bit like what Kickstarter was for physical products. However, there's often a misconception that new technology, especially when it lives and breathes online, and particularly when it is decentralized, is not subject to any laws. It lives in the cloud, so no laws apply. This couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, it typically means that much more law applies, and it often overlaps and sometimes even conflicts. At the crux is, what is the right that I'm recording on the blockchain? And this can have a number of legal and regulatory implications. However, the key things you need to look at are financial regulatory laws, such as restrictions on selling securities. In Hong Kong, an important part of the definition of securities includes collective investment schemes, which is a very broad concept and exists in many jurisdictions. It can capture a wide range of arrangements, but in essence, it generally refers to where you draw money in to generate profit for participants. In some countries, the securities definitions are so broad and flexible that they can adapt based on market behaviour and intent. The United States is a great example of that. In other